Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so for this question, we are looking at a particular figure, and we were told a few things, but what we are ultimately looking to find is the perimeter. So, if you ever heard in a crime show, they'll often say, "Can we make a perimeter?" Now, what this is trying to make an outside boundary around the crime scene, and that's how we can think about um, this in terms of geometry. This is going to be the outer boundary, although there's no crime scene. There's just going to be the area inside of whatever figure. So let's think about the perimeter as the boundary, and we need to know how to calculate this. And it's fairly straightforward given the information that we know about this problem. So we are told that the figure is a dodecagon. Okay, and there's a lot we can unpack here based on what terms we should be familiar with in mathematics. And we're told that the side is 7 inches. Okay. So from here, there's a few different things that we can deduce. So dodeca is a prefix, and if you've ever heard deca, deci, that's particularly deca, that's referring to 10. We can think of octo as being 8. Should be familiar with some of these terms, hopefully. Deca is 10. So what is dodeca? This one isn't as commonly used, but it's actually greater than 10, which is probably why I even heard it used before, because there aren't very many times we'll hear dodeca, but this is one. So it's a 12-sided figure. So dodeca equals 12. And we know that since there's gon in there, you've heard the term polygon or things like that. This is referring to just a shape, a figure. So it's a 12-sided figure. Okay? We're told that one side equals 7 inches. So hopefully the problem is already starting to unravel itself a little bit. But if not, we'll work through it. It's fairly straightforward. So it comes down to how many sides are there? Well, we know based on deducing that this is a 12-sided figure, there's 12 sides. If each side is 7 inches, then it's as simple as 7 times 12, right? Because there's 12 sides, each of them 7 inches. And if you do the arithmetic, it comes down to 84 inches. Now, is it regular inches or square inches? It's regular inches. We are looking at just one dimension being the perimeter. So if we were to look at the perimeter, this would be a hexagon, of course, for 6. I'll draw the perimeter in red. I'll attempt to draw the perimeter in red. It is just this outer boundary. It's just one dimension going like this. If we were to look at the area, then of course we would need to look at squared units because that is all of this inside, which is a bit different.